Andres has 4 bunches of balloons. There are 6 balloons in each bunch. How many balloons does Andres have in all? Which model represents the problem? Good job! Solve the problem. Well done!
What's next? Ryan has 2 vases. He puts 6 flowers in each vase. How many flowers are there in all? Complete the sentence. Complete the equation to represent the problem. Dara has a fishing box with 4 trays. Each tray has 5 fish hooks. How many hooks are there in all? Complete the sentence. There are 4 groups of 5 hooks. That is 20 hooks in all. Complete the multiplication equation to represent the problem. Carolina buys 5 packages of erasers. Each package has 3 erasers in it. How many erasers does Carolina buy in all? Complete the sentence. Which expression and model represent the problem? Choose one expression and one model. There are 5 packages, and each package has 3 erasers. That is 5 groups of 3, or 5 times 3. Nice job! You received 20 coins. Noah walks on a nature trail. He takes 3 pictures of chipmunks. He takes 5 pictures of birds. How many pictures does Noah take in all? Which model represents the problem? How many pictures does Noah take in all? You got it! Jamila walks on 5 nature trails. She takes 3 pictures on each trail. How many pictures does Jamila take in all? Which model represents the problem? How many pictures does Jamila take in all? You can skip count by threes to find how many pictures in all. Three, 6, 9, 12, 15. Jamila takes 15 pictures in all. Enter 15. Kiana goes to the library. She borrows 5 books about planets and 2 books about dinosaurs. How many books does Kiana borrow in all? What is the unknown in this problem? You know there are 5 books about planets. What do you need to find? You need to find the number of books in all. Let B stand for the total number of books. Complete the equation to represent the problem. Try again. Good job. How many books, B, does Kiana borrow in all? Kiana goes. Remember, B stands for the number of books in all. What is 5 plus 2? Way to go! B equals 7. Kiana borrows 7 books in all. The Robinson family goes to the library. There are 5 people in the family. Each person borrows 2 books. How many books does the family borrow in all? What is the unknown in this problem? Let Let B stand for the total number of books. Complete the equation to represent the problem. Try again. You find the total number of books, B, by multiplying 5 by 2. Choose the multiplication sign. How many books does the family borrow in all? Good. B equals 10. The family borrows 10 books in all. Miss Hernandez drives a shuttle with 4 benches. Each bench has 5 riders. How many riders are there in all? Try using counters to show the number of riders on each bench. Do you want to clear Do you want Do you want Do you want to Let's do this together. Each bench has 5 riders. The shuttle has 4 benches. Show 4 groups of 5. Now solve the problem. How many riders are there in all? Which expression and model represent the problem? Choose one expression and one model. Nice! David drives a bus with 4 riders. At a bus stop, 5 more riders get on the bus. How many riders are on the bus now? Well done! There are 9 riders on the bus now. Which expression and model represent the problem? Choose one expression and one model. That's it! What's next?
Keiko sells tomato seed packets. A customer buys 3 packets. There are 6 seeds in each packet. How many tomato seeds does the customer buy in all? What is the unknown in this problem? Let T stand for the total number of tomato seeds. Complete the equation to represent the problem. You find the total number of tomato seeds, T, by multiplying 3 by 6. How many tomato seeds does the customer buy in all? Complete the sentence. George sells 4 pepper plants. Then he sells 6 more plants. How many plants does George sell in all? Let P stand for the total number of plants. Complete the equation to represent the problem. How many plants does George sell in all? Complete the sentence. Sarah plays in 6 basketball games this month. She drinks 2 bottles of water during each game. How many bottles of water does Sarah drink this month? Complete the sentence. Which expression and model represent the problem? Choose one expression and one model.
Nice job! You received 20 coins. My progress.
Here is today's learning target. Use arrays to write and solve multiplication equations.
Array. A set of objects arranged in equal rows and equal columns. Matriz. Conjunto de objetos agrupados en filas y columnas iguales.
Abel is setting up a balloon pop game for a neighborhood block party. He wants to arrange 20 balloons in equal rows. Here is one way Abel arranges the balloons. Complete each sentence. Count the number of rows. There are 2 rows of balloons. Enter 2. The same number of balloons are in each row. So, the balloons are arranged in equal rows. Abel arranges the balloons another way. Complete the sentence. Now, let's arrange the balloons in equal rows. Abel arranges the balloons another way. Complete the sentence. Nice work. Now, let's arrange the balloons in equal rows. Abel decides to set up the balloon pop game in this arrangement. Complete each sentence. There are 4 equal rows of 5 balloons. The balloons are arranged in an array. An array has objects arranged in equal rows. Let's show a multiplication equation to represent the array. 4 rows with 5 balloons in each row equals 20 balloons. Find the total number of eggs. How many rows of eggs are there? How many eggs are in each row? How many eggs are there in all? Complete the sentence. Two rows of 6 is 12. What is 6 more? Good. There are 18 eggs in all. Let's show a multiplication equation to represent the total number of eggs. 3 times 6 equals 18. Some friends are at an adventure park and want to ride a roller coaster. 2 people can sit in each row of a roller coaster car. There are 4 rows. Find the total number of people who can ride in each roller coaster car. First, complete the sentence to describe how many people can ride in each roller coaster car. Try using the model to help. Try using the model to help. Rows with people in each row is people in all. There are 4 rows and 2 people in each row. That equals 8. Enter 4. Enter 2. Next, complete the multiplication equation to represent the problem. Eight people can ride in each roller coaster car. Students use lockers to keep their books and other belongings in a safe place. There are 2 rows of lockers. Each row has 8 lockers. Find the total number of lockers. Complete the multiplication equation to represent the problem. There are 2 rows with 8 lockers in each row. How many lockers are there in all? Great work! 2 times 8 equals 16. There are 16 lockers in all. A marching band is getting ready to perform in a parade. There are 12 drummers in a marching band. They march in equal rows. Show different ways the drummers can be arranged. First, drag each tab to make an array that shows 2 drummers in each row and a total of 12 drummers. Each counter represents 1 drummer. First, drag each tab to make an array that shows 2 drummers in each row and a total of 12 drummers. You can make a row of 2 drummers and then keep making rows of 2 until the array shows 12 drummers. Drag the tab to show a row of 2 drummers. Now, drag the other tab until there is a total of 12 drummers. Next, complete the sentence to describe the array. How many rows are there, and how many drummers are in each row? Complete the equation to represent the array. That's right, but let's show 6 rows of 2 drummers like this. The drummers can be arranged in 6 rows of 2 drummers. Let's rotate the model to show a different way the drummers can be arranged. Now, complete the multiplication equation to represent this array. That's right, but let's show 2 rows of 6 drummers like this. The drummers can also be arranged in 2 rows of 6 drummers. Both 6 times 2 and 2 times 6 equal 12. The product is the same. Let's find another way to arrange the 12 drummers. First, make an array that shows 4 rows of drummers and a total of 12 drummers. Next, complete the sentence to describe the array. Complete the equation to represent the array. The drummers can be arranged in 4 rows of 3 drummers. Let's rotate the model to show a different way the drummers can be arranged. Now, complete the multiplication equation to represent this array. Well done. The drummers can also be arranged in 3 rows of 4 drummers. Let's find another way to arrange the 12 drummers. First, make an array that shows 1 row of drummers and a total of 12 drummers. Next, complete the sentence to describe the array. Complete the equation to represent the array. The drummers can be arranged in 1 row of 12 drummers. Let's rotate the model to show a different way the drummers can be arranged. The drummers can also be arranged in 12 rows with 1 drummer in each row. These arrays show all the ways 12 drummers can be arranged in equal rows. More drummers joined the band. Now, there are 27 drummers. Show 2 different ways the drummers can be arranged in equal rows. First, make an array that shows 9 rows of drummers and a total of 27 drummers. You can drag the tab down to show 9 rows and then drag the other tab until there are 27 drummers in all. Drag the tab to show 9 rows. Now, drag the other tab until there is a total of 27 drummers. Next, complete the equation to represent the array. Let's rotate the model so that there are 9 drummers in each row. How many rows are there now? Complete the equation. You got it! The 27 drummers can be arranged in 9 rows of 3 and 3 rows of 9.
What's next?
There are 5 rows of pear trees in an orchard. Each row has 3 trees. Find the total number of pear trees in the orchard. First, complete the sentence to describe how many pear trees there are. There are 5 rows and 3 trees in each row. That equals 15 trees in all. Next, complete the multiplication equation to represent. There are 8 desks arranged in equal rows. Show different ways the desks can be arranged. First, make an array that shows 2 desks in each row and a total of 8 desks. The array shows 2 desks in each row and a total of 8 desks. Next, complete the sentence to describe the array. There are 4 rows of desks with 2 desks in each row. Complete the equation to represent the array. Let's rotate the model to show a different way the desks can be arranged. Now, complete the multiplication equation to represent this array. There are 20 desks in another classroom. Show different ways the desks can be arranged in equal rows. First, make an array that shows 5 rows of desks and a total of 20 desks. The array shows 20 desks arranged in 5 rows. Next, complete the... Let's rotate the model to show a different way the desks can be arranged. Complete the equation to represent
It's okay.